Pets Maple Tree, the place to explore and revive extinct creatures for a new generation.
Reviving the woolly mammoth, a journey into de-extinction. Picture a world where the woolly mammoth, a creature that roamed Earth during the last ice age, steps back onto frozen tundras. It sounds like the plot of a sci-fi movie, but recent breakthroughs in science are making this vision closer to reality. Today on Pets Maple Tree, we're diving into the incredible advancements in technology that may soon revive this extinct giant. Join us as we explore the science, ethics, and potential impacts of bringing back the woolly mammoth. The woolly mammoth, an iconic animal of the Ice Age, went extinct around 4,000 years ago due to climate change and hunting. They played a crucial role in ancient ecosystems, helping to sustain vegetation and regulate climate. Reviving the woolly mammoth could not only restore lost ecosystems, but also mark a groundbreaking achievement in science, opening possibilities for conserving endangered species and advancing applied genetics. Reviving the woolly mammoth, a step towards ecological restoration. Let's first take a closer look at the woolly mammoth itself. This remarkable creature was well adapted to the Ice Age, equipped with thick fur, enormous tusks, and a robust build that could endure frigid temperatures. But as the Ice Age ended, so did the era of the mammoth. Climate change, human hunting, and ecosystem shifts ultimately led to their extinction around 4,000 years ago. Woolly mammoths were distinguished by their thick fur, large curved tusks, and a thick layer of fat under their skin, which helped them withstand the harsh climate of the Ice Age. Their strong legs and specialized teeth enabled them to crush grasses and vegetation, providing essential nutrition. These features not only allowed woolly mammoths to adapt to cold environments, but also played a vital role in maintaining ecological balance. But why bring back the woolly mammoth now? Scientists argue that reviving these creatures could have a major impact on Arctic ecosystems. By reintroducing mammoths to tundras, they could help maintain grasslands and potentially slow down climate change by preserving permafrost. Reviving extinct species, the science of de-extinction. The concept of de-extinction, or reviving species that have disappeared, is an idea that has fascinated scientists for years. But how exactly does it work? De-extinction focuses on two primary methods, cloning and genetic engineering. For the woolly mammoth, scientists are opting for a groundbreaking approach involving gene editing. Using CRISPR technology, scientists can edit the DNA of the Asian elephant, which shares around 99.6% of its DNA with the woolly mammoth. By adding the traits needed to survive cold climates, such as thick fur and fat layers, scientists are working towards creating a hybrid animal that resembles a woolly mammoth. Technological breakthroughs in reviving the woolly mammoth. The journey to bring back the woolly mammoth wouldn't be possible without incredible advancements in genetic technology. Let's break down the tools and methods behind this revolutionary project. It all starts with the mammoth's DNA, preserved in permafrost for thousands of years. By sequencing this ancient DNA, scientists can identify the genes responsible for cold adaptation. With CRISPR, scientists can edit these genes into the DNA of an Asian elephant, resulting in a hybrid embryo. The hope is to create a species that resembles the mammoth closely enough to fulfill its ecological role in the tundra. Once the genes are edited, developing a healthy embryo remains a huge challenge. Scientists are working to ensure successful gestation, possibly through artificial wombs or Asian elephant surrogates. Recent advancements in genetic engineering and DNA editing have brought hope for reviving the woolly mammoth. However, embryo survival rates, pregnancy, and the birthing process remain significant challenges, requiring further research to improve the chances of success. Ethical and ecological implications of de-extinction. But with great scientific power comes ethical responsibility. Reviving an extinct species poses complex moral questions. Should humans interfere with nature this way? And what would a reintroduced woolly mammoth mean for today's environment? Some argue that de-extinction is a form of playing God, while others believe it's an opportunity to correct the impacts of human-driven extinctions. the ecological implications are equally compelling. Introducing woolly mammoths back to the tundra could help promote grasslands, which are better at storing carbon and slowing permafrost melt. But there are also risks, like the potential for unexpected impacts on other species. Reviving the mammoth, the colossal project. One of the most ambitious projects in mammoth revival is led by Colossal, a bioscience company headed by Dr. George Church. With significant funding and a clear mission, they're paving the way toward reintroducing mammoths within the next few decades. Colossal's mission is to create mammoth-elephant hybrids capable of thriving in the Arctic. By restoring the tundra, they hope to make a positive environmental impact. While their progress is promising, challenges remain. From technical issues to ethical debates, the path forward is far from straightforward. While many are excited, others remain skeptical. Some fear unintended consequences, while others see hope in a future where we can reverse extinction. Reviving extinct species, the future and ethical considerations. What lies ahead for de-extinction science? If the woolly mammoth revival succeeds, it could open the door to restoring other extinct species, from the passenger pigeon to the thylacine. Imagine a world where science has the power to revive lost species and repair ecosystems. This future may not be as distant as it seems. Balancing science and ethics, acknowledging that the journey to revive the woolly mammoth requires a balance between scientific potential and ethical boundaries, with considerations for animal welfare and environmental impact. This decision must be approached carefully to ensure that benefits to humanity do not harm ecosystems or existing species. The revival of the woolly mammoth represents a monumental step forward in science and conservation, but it also reminds us of the delicate balance between progress and responsibility. In conclusion, reviving the woolly mammoth is not only an ambitious scientific endeavor but also opens the door to unprecedented potential in ecological conservation and genetic research. Through advanced technologies like CRISPR and gene editing, we can envision a future where disrupted ecosystems might be restored and endangered species can be preserved. However, this process raises important ethical questions about humanity's responsibility in impacting nature. Reviving the woolly mammoth is more than an effort to bring back a species, it's a reminder of the power and responsibility that come with scientific discovery. The return of the woolly mammoth. Let us know your thoughts. Would you like to see woolly mammoths walk the earth again? And don't forget to subscribe to Pets Mapletree for more fascinating explorations into the wonders of science and nature.